Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of deleting a reposted video on TikTok. Whether you accidentally reposted something or just want to delete a shared video, let's get started. Step 1. Open TikTok. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Step 2. Find the reposted video. Find the video you reposted and now want to delete. You can select "You reposted" right inside your name tag. Follow the next instructions of TikTok and you will delete it immediately. You can find it under the Profile tab in the bottom right corner of the tab or use TikTok search feature. Step 3. Delete the post again. Tap the video to play it. Click Repost in the You Reposted section in the lower left above your name. Confirm Delete that you have deleted the reposted video. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck.